Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar IANN DIOR options. So this one is a cool song from him and based upon 4 different chords. We need to set our capo here on the 7th fret, so we'll play high up here to get these high notes. So capo on 7th, and let's go first with the chords. So we have F major 7, so that is 3rd here on the D string, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. Next chord is E, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Next is A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have G, so 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we'll look at the notes first, and they are based upon these 4 chords, and this will go round and round in the same order: F major 7, E, A minor, and G. Okay, so the notes for F major 7 are, okay, so that is 3rd on D, open E, and 1st B. Like that. And then comes the notes that are based on the E chord. They are played like this. So that is 2nd on D string, 3rd on B, and open B. Next is the A minor based notes, and they are only 2. So they start with open A and end with 1st B. So open A, 1st B. And the final chord is the G, and the notes there are only 2 there as well. So sounds like that. 3rd fret on E in the bass, and open B. So the rhythm goes like this from start to end. Alright, so that's the cool melody. Now we have a strumming pattern as well. So same chords, and you will here think as pair of chords. So F major 7 to E will sound like this. Alright, and then it will sound the same from A minor to G. Same strumming pattern there. So let's look at the first chord there, the F major 7. You will play down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. And after this clap, you switch quick to the E, and you play down, down, clap. So there's a short break between the 2 downs there in the E. So it sounds like this. So to repeat this, down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. And the same goes for A minor to G, down, down, up, clap, and then down, down, clap. So slowly, this strumming pattern with these 4 chords sounds like this. Yeah, so that pretty much covers this song. And if you want, you know where the notes are. You can try to emphasize the notes when you are strumming. So yeah, it's up to you to try to kind of find the notes into the chords and try to highlight them in your way of playing. So good luck with this one, guys. IANN DIOR options, and yeah, see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.